repetition makes perfect. Build the muscle memory. Okay? The moment you grasp a perfect execution when you deliver your strike, now it's becoming your system. So when you deliver your strike, now it's developed that how you're able to control your weapon. Because some practitioners, they're not really focused on precision of the strikes. They want to focus on, okay, how to learn the technique. Yes, of course, everybody wants to learn technique. But question are, how could you establish a technique if you don't have training? How could you apply your technique if you don't understand a proper technique, the proper body mechanics? So, technique is useless if you don't have that kind of ability. That's the reason why I keep reminding everyone, focus on basic. Why basic? Why fundamental? Your fundamental or your basic is your advance. But people don't understand that. I said, oh, yeah, that's basic. I don't want to work on that. Oh, that's basic. I don't want to learn that. I want advanced. Why? Oh, well, I can learn advanced. But the question is that advanced that you learn for, that is applicable? That can work? Of course not. Why? In order your technique to become effective and applicable, there are considerations that you have to follow. One, see to it that you have a good timing, a good entry, good body mechanics, mobility, and all of that. So if you don't have that, forget it. So that's the reason why focus on the fundamental, focus on the basic, because that is the beginning of your progression. Okay, again, we will include broken and the fluid strikes. Broken, and then when you do a broken strikes, okay, up and fluid. Broken, up. Broken, up. Broken, up. Okay? So, you do a broken strike. So do it that support with your hand tap, hand check. Because when you apply a broken strike, that is a reference that you are in the mid-range already. So, meaning, if you deliver your strike, this is a fluid strike. That is between the mid-range and the long range. If you do a broken strike, basically that is a mid-range distance. Okay, so broken, top, fluid. Broken, top, fluid. Broken, top, fluid. Broken, top. See this? Right here, you're there. Fluid. Okay, again. Broken, top. Fluid. Broken, top. Fluid. Broken, top. Fluid. Broken, trap. See this? Shoulder.